Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain to you poem from lesson 9 Stamp Collection written by Marilyn Lott. She says, after reading this poem, we are able to discover the pleasure and profit of collecting stamps. Kindly follow your book, page 74. I'll explain to you stanza wise. Stamp collecting is quite a hobby, a glance into world history. Researching another country uncovers so many mysteries. So here the poet tells us that collecting stamp is a wonderful hobby and it helps us or enables us to learn more about the history and culture of other countries, as it has to reveal so many mysteries. If you see in your book, there are many stamps are given of different countries, and by going through with interest gives us so much of information about the countries where this particular stamps are originated. It's not just the understanding of what a culture is about. It's not that we are going to learn only what is the culture is about, because it is not going to be very easy, because by learning to speak the language will be a challenge without a doubt. So there is no doubt about that. It is very challenging to learn some languages which we are not familiar to learn, because once we see the stamp, we should know from where it is originated, which country it belongs to, and why the stamp has started and when it is started. All these questions arise. In order to know that, we should know the languages of that particular or those countries. It's a wonderful undertaking and one that is well worthwhile. Undertaking means a task that is taken on. So it is like a challenge that we have to take a task. Yes, I am going to find out the background of this particular stamps, and worthwhile. It is not only simply we take the challenge, it is a really worth means it's a really making it for us something a knowledgeable information. So each stamp from all over the world has an interesting and unique style. Unique style means something very different. Every stamp has a entirely different stories to tell us. So in order to know, it is first of all, it is a past history that we have to go through, and from where the stamp has originated, what is the past, how many types of stamps have originated from particular country. All these are we have to do a research. Now, I enjoy the stories they tell with a description on everyone. So descriptive, every stamp has a story to tell with its unique and yet descriptive appearances. Not only this, every stamp has same story, but everything has a unique story to tell. Yes, a particular stamp has started because of this reason. So it's not just to be enjoyed, but by having few interest from our part, it makes us a positive look at the particular stamp if we are interested. They go way back in time when stamps had first begun. So with interest, when we try to know, then it takes us back to the history of that particular country or a particular stamp. So if you would like a hobby, you might give this a chance. So what the poet tried to tell us, that if you really would like to be, you are inclined to learn about this particular hobby, or you are interested to have this as a part of you, then you have to give a chance to it. So try, you know what the poet is telling you, try, begin to have some research work on this particular stamp collection, because it has gone like outdated, as we have learned in the previous lesson. A few hobbies which we were doing in the early time has outdated now. Now everybody is searching for new methods and new innovative way how they can make their life an interesting one. Yes, stamps hold fascination. Now, what is the meaning of fascination is given to you there. With great interest. Fascination is a great interest. With their mystery and yes, romance. Romance means feeling of excitement. So, if we are interested, we will have a kind of excitement with a great interest, that we will be able to discover all what is given by this poet here, and it finally brings us pleasure of knowing something different, thing which we are may not be able to understand, may not be interested, but by the reading this poem, the poet wants us to learn something different that normally we look forward. So read this poem, try to understand and learn at least 12 lines by heart. Thank you.